Traders, Anthony here, looking at the US100. Righto, so we can see now this is under pressure significantly. We've got this daily balance area up in here. I'm looking for a trade opportunity, and we'll work our way down the time frames, and I'll give you my take on this. So we've traded into back in here. See this red candle? Okay, big level. I'm going to just pick up the body of that candle, support zone. So you can see it's reacted off here, spiked back up. Okay, we'll go down to the 4 hour, have a look at it. Well, personally, I really do like to trade off these 4 hour time frames, and given that this is bearish, we have lower lows, lower highs, break of market structure, bearish break of structure here. We are going to go for a BOS, and what we do have with this is a couple of things. On the 4 hour time frame, we've got this 4 hour balance area that is nested with the daily. So let's just pull this through here and mark it up 4H. Be careful today. There's a lot going on. I think we've got some high impact events coming up, and you might want to check out the calendar and see what's going on there. So expect volatility. So break of structure, bearish. Now the other thing with this is it's trading into support. We have this thin candle, and if we pick up the candle low on the left, the candle high on the right, there's significant bearish imbalance. For those of you new to trading, you don't understand balance, imbalance. A balance area is where there's a even number of buy and sell, and we get that through the range here. And then with this move, strong bearish move here with vengeance, it's one-sided. We don't see anything left and right, so we've got this bearish imbalance. Now the market is looking for two things. It's looking to rebalance, and it's looking for liquidity. So if you look at the chart with that in mind, where is there an imbalance? Okay, so we can see that clearly here. Where is there liquidity? Well, we've got retail traders galore shorting, and we have a massive build-up of stop losses all through this range coming through here. So with a combination of stops, resting liquidity sitting up in here, the imbalance, it makes sense to me that I would set up a sell up in through here, and with a stop loss above the high back here. By the way, guys, make sure you click the link below, check out my website, and join our free Telegram group. Love to see you in there. So what have we got here? We've got a stop loss, SL. All right, I'm going to set up a sell zone in here, and I like, you know, could go fairly wide with it. I mentioned to my, I've got a VIP group to my VIP guys today, just about managing risk. Let me just mark this up, and being careful with your position size. You've just got to watch it, because what are we doing? Sell zone. Most traders come undone by going in with odd lot sizes with their trading, right? With various lot sizes, and then what happens is you don't understand, or you don't have a handle on your risk. Okay, so odd lot sizes is going to get you into trouble in a big way. Big lot sizes will get you into trouble in a big way. So what I do is I will allocate, say, 5 trades in the day at a maximum, for example, of 0.2% of my account per trade. And I might go for a maximum of 1% exposure. So that gives me 5 trades at 0.2% risk or position size per trade. I hope that makes sense. So I'm not looking at lot size per se. I'm looking at the percentage of my balance of my account. I've done videos on it. You can check me out, by the way. have a look at my YouTube channel. The links are below. Do the search for risk, and you'll see it all in there. But I mean, that's the key. That's where most traders come unglued. Anyway, I don't want to ramble on, but look, this is my idea here for a US 100 short. Be careful, guys. Don't lose money. I really do, want people to do well in this space, and that's why I make these videos. So, yeah, with that, comment. Love to hear your thing, and I hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.